Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. I'm starting a new vlog. I am in the kitchen. I have some dishes I need to clean, and also I am trying to upload my sunglass haul video for you guys, so I'm doing that right now. I gotta show y'all this real quick. So you guys remember the cauliflower thins that I showed you, the sandwich cauliflower thins? I tried it this morning. So here is the cauliflower sandwich thins. I'm recording with my phone. The texture kind of feels like an egg white. So I have pesto, turkey, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, and Swiss cheese. And it's a no for me. I mean, they're not bad, but y'all know I don't like eggs. So I can only eat eggs if it's cooked in something. Ingredients does include egg, but the texture is just like a fried egg, and I just couldn't do it. It doesn't taste bad, but the texture, I just couldn't get over the texture, so I threw those out today. So right now I am, let me turn on the light. I am getting ready to make my ginger shots. So I'm just peeling my ginger. I want to go to Target to get a new blender because my NutriBullet is so old. Or you know what? Maybe I could just get like some more of the cups that go with the NutriBullet, because mine is so foggy. And I've had it for a while. I can't even remember if it was like that when I bought it or why it's like that now. I have no idea. But it makes the cup look dirty. And I hate that, so that's what I'll do. I'll try to see if I could find some cups. Replace my cups instead of the entire machine. So yeah, I'm gonna just make some lemon and ginger shots right now. Ugh. Shout out to you guys that told me to do this with a spoon, because I was doing it with my knife and you guys told me to do it with the spoon because it's easier, and it definitely is. Way easier to do it with a spoon. Oh, my arm hurt though.
Let the ice spray give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. I know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh, no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, tepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with
Okay, y'all, so I'm still watching Married at First Sight. This is season 11. Y'all, I wore that new NARS Sheer Glow foundation. I've had it on all day. I'm a little oily, but that foundation is bomb. It feels like I have nothing on my face. So I think that's my new favorite foundation. I just have my hair pulled up. I'm done working for the day. Well, kind of, because I'm vlogging right now. But I'm sitting over here snacking on some cucumber slices, and then this is the plant-based buffalo style dip. It's only 3 carbs and it's dairy free. It's not the best thing ever, but it's not that bad. So I'm just eating it with cucumbers while I watch Love at First Sight. And it's so good. So for tonight's dinner, I'm doing some mashed cauliflower. And with my mashed cauliflower, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm just gonna do maybe like salt and pepper, and maybe some Parmesan cheese. So the mashed cauliflower is basically like a substitute for mashed potatoes. So it'll look just like mashed potatoes, but it's actually cauliflower. It's really good. I do this all the time. Even when I really wasn't trying to watch what I eat, I really like mashed cauliflower. It's really good. So I'm just gonna cut these up into smaller pieces. Not that small, but you know, I don't want to just throw this whole head of cauliflower in a pot. So I'm gonna, I usually just take this part out, like these pieces I take out, and just let it boil until it gets soft. And then mash it up. And you can add whatever, you know, whatever seasonings you want to, just add whatever you like. But I'm just gonna, like I said, keep mine pretty simple and just do sea salt and Parmesan cheese. And then I'm gonna have some salmon, and then I'm gonna do some fresh spinach. So this is the spinach that I use. And I'll just put this in a pan, cook that for a bit, season that up with some garlic, and some sea salt, maybe some pepper, something simple, but it tastes really good. Spinach is spinach. And my salmon, and that'll be my dinner for tonight. But I actually have to cook 2 meals because y'all know I have to still cook dinner for my husband and my son. So I'm just doing like some baked chicken for them, some yellow rice, and a vegetable. Something simple tonight. So let me get started with this. So the food was delicious. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about the sauce that was around the mashed cauliflower, and this is the sauce that I use. It's called garlic butter, and I like to put this on my salmon sometimes, but I just put it around the mashed cauliflower just because I didn't add that much seasoning to it, so just to give it a little more flavor. Right here it just says that it's great on steaks and pasta too, but it is meant for salmon, so you guys should try this. We got this from Walmart, I think. So yeah, it was really good. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I'm on my way to the gym. Well, I have to drop my son off first, and then I'm going to the gym. I have my black band. It was really easy to change it. It has this little button right here, and you just push down on that button and then slide it out. It came out pretty easy, so I went with the black band. But I'm getting ready to work out. I'll probably work out for an hour, and then I have some stuff I gotta take back to the mall, and that's pretty much it. That's all I have planned for today. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, y'all. This is what I'm wearing today. I found this shirt in Forever 21. This is Aretha Franklin. I thought it was so cute, but I don't like the size really. This is a medium large. I'm gonna wear these shades right here. I'm carrying this bag. I think I might take this scarf off. Yeah, I'm gonna take this scarf off. So that's not my vibe today. I'm gonna take that off. Carrying my Louis today. I might put on either my foam runners or my ones. I really haven't decided. We're just gonna be chill today because we're doing a lot of walking if we go to the museum. I just need to change my cards out. And I want to wear a watch, but should I wear these or should I wear, they dirty, I need to clean them. Should I wear these or should I wear my Soleils? I'm gonna wear these today. And I'm running late. I need to hurry up and go. I'm wearing my Gabrielle Chanel. Really chill. I like to spray my perfume on the back of my neck because I give out hugs. So this is the look. Me real G, I take that size. All right, y'all, so I have to vlog on my phone because I forgot my camera. So I'll be vlogging on my phone today. So I'm just sitting in the car. I'm waiting on Tamika, but I'm gonna show you guys the place, of course. So we decided to meet. We were supposed to meet at 12, but then we decided to meet at 1. So I had time after I left the nail salon. Here's my nails. Same color. And then I also changed my shirt. The Aretha Franklin shirt, it was a little too tight for me. So I just put this Tupac shirt on, but we're still really chill because we're gonna be walking around this museum. I think they have food in here. I'm not too sure, but I think they do. We've never been here before. So we're gonna check this place out and then we'll probably get a bite to eat. So I'll take you guys inside. Okay. Y'all having fun so far? We're gonna hit up one more spot, just catch happy hour at this other spot, and that's gonna be it. That's all we're doing for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This lighting is terrible. This is the next spot, the Chart House.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to end this vlog. This vlog is going to be a shorter one because I don't have my camera, so I can't vlog as much